So when you're dusting the fan, make sure you hold it because if you don't, it'll just meow, meow.
Meow.
Hi everyone, today I'll be cleaning my PC as well as my keyboard. It's probably been over maybe a year since I've cleaned both, so it was definitely time to get rid of some of the dust. I started by making sure my PC was off before I took off any of the plugs. You can either use a can of compressed air, which I actually had a can of at home, or you can use a handheld vacuum like this one. I got this from Amazon, I'll link it below. It came with a bunch of different nozzles, and you can actually blow air as well as suck air, which is nice for different circumstances when you're cleaning, not just for this project. I had to charge it, so while this gets charged, let's go to the keyboard. I'm actually really embarrassed to show my keyboard because it's pretty nasty, especially since it's white. You can see all the dirt on all the keys that I typically use. But here we are, and that is why we have this video. I started off with taking out the keys, but don't do it like this. This is wrong. So if that happens, just kind of put it back in correctly. Make sure you do it in the right way and more gently take off your keys. I took off all the keycaps, and it's crazy how much dirt and hair and whatever else is underneath my keyboard. It's really gross. So I'm just gonna tap the dirt off and then use a small vacuum. I also have compressed air to kind of move all the dust, and then I'm just gonna go in with a Q-tip with some water or alcohol to clean it up a bit.
Say to me, what's wrong? So where'd you come from? It's easy loving you. No beating this love that you give. Say you can't hide my love inside. Say to me, what's wrong? Where you come from? And I try to play it cool, baby, 'cause I know you want me to, baby. Come on in, let's settle it out. Come on and see.
Okay, so it's been a year since we built the computer, so it definitely needs cleaning. I'll show you a zoomed in of like the places that we need to clean. I think I'm gonna get some Windex or something for that, but it is a dusty in here. Basically, the fans really need some cleaning. There's this one, the ones up here are really dirty. I don't know if you can see that, but then there's ones over here, so I'm just gonna dust it. I'm just gonna start with using the duster, and it's great that we're outside so that the dust just goes out and not stays within the office or our desk area. Highly recommend cleaning your PC outside, not inside where the dust will just kind of accumulate again. So when you're dusting the fan, make sure you hold it because if you don't, it'll just spin around, and you're not gonna get anything dustwood. So what you do is you should hold it like so. Turn on the fan. And that's pretty much it. If you like this content, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!